Hello everybody, I'm Pade and this is Wholesome Baking Time. Welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be making quiche for the Easter season. Something heartfelt, rich and delicious for all your loved ones on the table. So let's get right into this video. Firstly, we chop up the onions which will act as our base. Next, I'm getting my chicken portions ready by chopping them up into smaller pieces. I'm now placing the chicken portions within the pot so that it can be ready for boiling. And I'm just throwing over onions on top. Next, I am placing the chicken portions on the stove. Over there, I'm pouring in the water and it's going to boil for roughly 8 minutes. I am now chopping up the mushrooms into smaller pieces. I am now chopping up my spinach into smaller fine pieces. I am now grating my whole cheddar cheese block. Time to crack the eggs now. So this is for the liquid mixture. I cracked 8 eggs within the bowl. Next, I'm just stirring it all together. Then I'm pouring in my milk just above the egg mixture. Then I'm pouring in my spice. I just had chicken spice at that moment, so it all depends on you. Then I'm just stirring everything together until it's well mixed. I'm now cooking up my onions on the stove as a faster alternative than it being done in the oven. Next, I'm pouring in the chicken pieces as well so that too can be cooked on the stove. I am now rolling out the pastry so that it can be properly fitted within the bowls. And you just work with it as you go. Placing the pastry within the bowl now. Here's how it looks like. I'm now pouring in the fillings, the onions, the chicken, the cheese inside. The same with the other one, the onions, the mushrooms, the spinach, and the cheese. I'm now pouring in the liquid mixture within the spinach and mushroom and the chicken and cheese quiche. Baking the quiche now at 150 degrees Celsius for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Here you go, this is how my quiche looked like. Very beautiful, and you could just easily place your fork within it and it was that good. So thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more.